So what exactly makes a light phone different? Every year, dozens of new smartphones are introduced, all more or less slight variations of the same features in big, glossy glass boxes. New models are readily available, even free at times, subsidized by everything from carrier contracts to the sheer amount of data collection possible. Phone makers intentionally cripple their products so they can upsell you the latest model. Like when a certain company got caught using software to slow down old phones. 1.3 billion new smartphones were sold in 2023. And there are, of course, serious environmental implications with 1 billion people buying new phones every single year. Can a phone last 5, 10 years? The light phone isn't just a cheap burner phone, it's a real alternative to a smartphone. And from a replaceable battery door to our ongoing software support, we're not going to upsell you a new model just for profit's sake. Phones are like mini computers. Hundreds of people contribute to bringing each phone to life across the entire supply chain. Unlike free smartphone apps that actually just profit from your attention and data, we prioritize privacy. When we integrate third-party platforms, like with our Directions tool, the cost of maintaining your privacy is included in the phone's price, not paid for with your data. The light phone is not competing in an arbitrary spec race. We don't actually believe that more lenses on your phone is the key to happiness. We blindly give away our time and attention almost every time we pull out our smartphones. Instead of only experiencing our lives through hyperconnectivity, going light empowers us to have a balanced relationship, to be intentional, mindful, and present for what matters most. How much is your time worth? Much love. Light.